Hello! In this video I will show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into OUKITEL G2. So you have to start by opening your SIM tray. And now you have to place your SD card and SIM card on your SIM tray. And now you have to put it back into your device. Like this. And now let's check if my SIM card works. So let's open settings. And now let's go to network and internet and click on SIMs. And as you can see, my SIM card is now working. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.